Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer USDT from Mexc to Trust Wallet. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Mexc exchange. Once you have logged into your Mexc account, after that you just need to simply tap on the wallet section at the bottom right corner, and here you will find withdraw button, so simply tap on withdraw. After that, in the search bar you have to simply search for USDT and click on, and here you will need to select the withdrawal method to tap on the on-chain withdrawal. Once you landed on this page, here you will need to enter the withdrawal address and selection of network and the quantity of USDT you want to send to Trust Wallet. Now, in order to get the withdrawal address, we just need to simply minimize this and open your Trust Wallet. Once you have logged into your Trust Wallet account, here you will need to simply tap on the receive button, and once you tap on receive, in the search bar you have to simply search for USDT. Now once you tap on USDT, here you will find USDT on different networks. So for example, I want to receive USDT on Binance Smart Chain network, so simply tap on this USDT Binance Smart Chain, and here you will find your USDT Binance Smart Chain wallet address along with the QR code. So simply copy this address, and after copying, reopen your Mexc exchange and paste this address in this withdrawal address bar. Select the network, same here, Binance Smart Chain. Always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your funds. After that, enter the withdrawal amount of USDT you want to transfer from Mexc to Trust Wallet. After entering the amount, click on confirm at the bottom right corner. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your funds from Mexc to Trust Wallet. And that's how you can transfer USDT from Mexc to Trust Wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.